Who says sandwiches have to be boring? Take your favorite childhood sandwiches to new heights with these updated versions. In place of grilled cheese, we're making strawberry caprese style grilled cheese sandwiches. Start by preparing pistachio pesto by pulsing together basil, garlic, pistachios, and olive oil. Stir in fresh Parmesan, salt, and pepper. On sliced buttered multigrain bread, spread pesto and top with fresh mozzarella, sliced strawberries, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Cook until bread is toasty. Instead of PB&J, try the cinnamon honey walnut butter and caramelized banana sandwich. Make the walnut butter by combining toasted walnuts, salt, oil, honey, and cinnamon. Spread on 2 slices of oat bread and set aside. Sprinkle sugar and cinnamon on bananas and broil until golden brown. Place on top of 1 slice of bread and top with a second. It is so good. Find these recipes and more on bigY.com.